A ball is dropped from the spacecraft revolving around the Earth at a height of 120 kilometer. What will happens to the ball? It will falls down the Earth gradually. It will go very far in the space. It will continue to move with the same speed along the original orbit of spacecraft. So initially that object or the ball was inside the spacecraft. So that ball is not at rest. The ball was not at rest. It was moving with the same orbital velocity. So because of if it is already having an orbital velocity and if you just drop it, it is again continue to move around the Earth in the same orbit. So we can say that it will continue to move with the same speed along the original orbit of spacecraft. It is not going to come to the center of, or it's not going to come towards the Earth, because that force exerted by Earth is utilized as the centripetal force, and it will move in a circular path.